Which stepper machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Sunny Mini Stepper. Let's kick things off with the Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper. Priced at $52.99, this compact machine caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive 4.4-star rating from over 35,800 reviews. If you want a portable solution to get your cardio in without sacrificing space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Sunny Mini Stepper has a heavy-duty steel frame with a 300 lb weight capacity, so it's built to last while giving you a solid workout. The hydraulic system provides smooth resistance, allowing you to adjust the intensity with a height knob, so whether you want quick bursts or longer strides, you can tailor it to your mood. Plus, the LCD monitor tracks your steps, time, and calories burned, which helps you stay focused on your goals. Now, some people complained about the noise level during use. Here's the thing though, while it's not completely silent, it's much quieter than other models, making it suitable for shared spaces. If you're someone who values peace while working out, this might still be a good fit for you. This is perfect for you if you're short on space but still want an effective cardio workout. Skip this one if you're looking for a more advanced machine with extensive features. At this price point, it's a solid value for your home gym. Now, if the noise concern with the Sunny Mini Stepper bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Sunny Health Smart Stepper. Next up is another from Sunny Health and Fitness, the upgraded Smart Stepper priced at $62.98. This one caught my attention with the added connectivity to the SunnyFit app, which opens up a whole new world of workouts. If you want to take your home cardio to the next level, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this model is its ability to support up to 300 pounds while offering a full-body workout. The adjustable exercise bands engage your arms, chest, and back, creating a well-rounded routine. The app access is a game changer. Think over 1,000 trainer-led workouts at your fingertips, plus scenic routes to keep your sessions exciting. You can track your progress and even challenge friends, which is pretty motivating. Now, some users mention the app connectivity can be a bit glitchy at times. But honestly, if you don't mind occasional hiccups, the workout variety makes it a worthy investment. The ease of use and the ability to track your progress is invaluable for anyone serious about their fitness journey. This is perfect for you if you love the idea of interactive workouts and can handle a few tech quirks. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward machine without tech features. The value is there, especially with all the add-ons it provides. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something more advanced. Product number 3, Sunny Stair Stepper and Climber. Coming in at $149.99, the Sunny Stair Stepper and Climber is a bit pricier, but it looks impressive. With a 4.2-star rating from 1,700 reviews, you can tell it's a popular choice for serious home workouts. If you're looking for a versatile machine that offers both cardio and strength training, this is worth a serious look. This stair stepper targets your legs, glutes, and core with low-impact movements, which is crucial if you're worried about joint strain. The adjustable stride height means you can customize your workout from 8.9 to 23.5 inches, making it adaptable to your fitness level. Plus, the free SunnyFit app offers tailored training sessions, so you'll always have guidance. But honestly, it might take up more space than expected. If you're short on room, it could feel bulky. But here's the thing, if you have the space, the full body benefits and adjustable features make it worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional machine that grows with you. Skip this one if your workout area is tight or if you prefer simpler machines. At this price, it's a solid investment for a serious workout regimen. Now, if you want something more compact but still effective, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, MERACH Stair Stepper. Next up, we have the MERACH Stair Stepper priced at $89.99. This compact machine has a striking design that caught my eye. With a rating of 4.3 stars from 596 reviews, if you're looking for a compact option that delivers a full-body workout, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable resistance lets you tailor your workout intensity, which is great for everyone from beginners to advanced users. Plus, the real-time progress tracking helps keep you motivated by showing your time, steps, and calories burned. In just 20 minutes, you can burn as many calories as you would in a jog or an intense swim. However, some users found the assembly process a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it offers a smooth and effective workout that outweighs the initial frustration. For those committed to a fitness routine, it's a minor hurdle. This is perfect for you if you want a space-saving option that still pushes you hard. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with some DIY assembly. It's a great price for a machine that delivers on multiple fronts. Now, let's move to the last product, which offers some unique features that might resonate with those looking for something a bit different. Product number 5, FitNexus Stair Stepper. Finally, let's check out the FitNexus Stair Stepper, priced at $109.99. With a 4-star rating from 208 reviews, this machine boasts an impressive 350 lb capacity, making it quite sturdy. If you're after a reliable, sturdy option without the bells and whistles, this is worth a serious look. This means whether you're just starting out or looking to challenge yourself, you can easily adjust to meet your needs. Plus, the extra-wide anti-slip pedals ensure safety during your workouts, which is crucial for those intense sessions. The compact folding design is another highlight, saving space when not in use, but I noticed some complaints about the display not being very bright. Honestly, it's a minor issue considering everything else it offers. If you're focused on getting a solid workout rather than fancy tech, it's still a great machine. This is perfect for you if you value stability and safety in your workouts. Skip this one if you're looking for a machine loaded with high-tech features. It's a solid choice for an affordable, effective workout. To wrap things up, we've covered a great range of stepper machines today, from the budget-friendly Sunny Mini Stepper to the sturdy FitNexus model. Your choice ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether it's space-saving, tech features, or a solid, reliable workout.